But anyway, I'll get my stuff out of here for now, and we'll see what we can do. Well, actually, I don't need to get all that stuff out. Just a few boxes at this end. I don't think I'm going to need to get all that out. Boxes of Christmas socks. That's what this is. Ben Sherman. Okay. Paperwork there for some reason. If I can just undo the top of the plastic and feed stuff through, we'll be alright. I've got a YouTube for dummies here. I'm a dummy alright. I've read it a little bit, a couple of pages, that's about it. I've had it 5 years. YouTube for dummies. I don't know how true that is with me. There's also this one wide up here with a fan, with the lights. Should I use that? It'll only come on with the lights then. No, I've got to get through the wall of this cupboard and into there. Nah, you know what? Let's empty it. Let's empty it out. I'm losing my instructions there. Tighten instructions. Let's get everything out. Should have done that in the first place. Let's get everything out. Wasn't prepared for this, was I? Not thinking outside the box in time. What? Boxer shorts. And I'll go back in there after. Nike shorts. Aftershave. And sundries. It shouldn't be on YouTube, should it? It shouldn't be on YouTube. Okay. I'm short also. I need something a bit to stand on. Chewing gum. Everything but the goldfish tank. I always put this stuff on my shelves, stops the stuff from sliding. Imagine your clothes on there, they ain't going to slide on that. And so it's keeps them a little bit more tired, I suppose, than what they would have been. Okay, let's get hold of this. Is that going to work better if I put it on the side there now? I'm going to be able to do that, am I? Is that showing you that? Up there. Yeah, it's too good. Clever, is it? Anyway. Looks like there's a trunking all the way through behind there, so there's a passageway through into the front. It looks like I've got 2 screws to take out, just to peel that back. This screwdriver ain't really big enough, I don't think. You know what? There's no heating on in there. It's ain't warm outside today, but I'm getting a bit of a sweat on, so I'm going to take my coat off. Cardigan sort of coat. Okay, so we've now got the next screwdriver, which is a bit bigger. I've just got to take that shame that screw is not before, not after the wiring. Instead of being before. Now that's perfect. And I tell you something, that's screwing into something that's really solid. Must have some of that black stuff around the outside. That black screwing battening. That's a good solid fixing. That is a decent length of screw, though. Saying the root's 25mm thick. I've got a screw there about, I'd say it's about 12, 13. Anyway, that's one out. That's one screw. I'll just drop it in the box there. And then that's the other screw out. Oh, I lost it then. Okay, so it's coming down. That's pretty good. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I need to unscrew it. Once you pull the screws out of this stuff, you rip them out like you ain't going to screw them back in again, are you? So we've got 3 screws out. Now I need to run the cable. Run the cable through there. Show you now. We've got to get through into that cupboard. We've got another screw. There's the wire coming out of the ceiling, look. See? And get the cable through into there. At the end of there if we can. And we'll be alright. At this end it's a bit more tight because of the cables there. There you are, we're down. We're down. And there's an hole through into that cupboard. We're on a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Actually, I think I got pucker pie tonight. But who cares? So we're going to get that cable through there now. And you can have a watch from there if you can. I don't know whether you can see. It's a bit of a nuisance this is. I think that's pointing at I can't see the angle. Not too sure. Oh, there we are. Oh, yes. Okay, now I'm going to do a bit of a jiggly parkery with this. Of course, that's going through into there first. Wow, it's in, it's through. It's through. If we could just fish that straight through, the other side would be safe, wouldn't it? Let's have a look. Whatever. Oh no, it's just gonna drop back at the moment. It's through there, that is. All I need really is send some slack over the top. You know, Oh, I thought I'd gone round the cupboard on the outside then. Oh, Cloud, now what I've done. But I ain't. Okay, so, I need to take up all that slack. Not really supposed to coil cables up, but we got a good distance inside there. So if I just make a couple of big loops like that, and then send it up and drop it in the back of there. There's no need to, I don't think there's any worry there with that. Just send that over the top. That way it lives to have another life another day in another motorhome, or even this one. Okay, so it's a bit tricky here because it's coming out of there. It's not really. Oh, it's come out down there. I'm going to take the bottom screw out. Damn it. Another screw out. I'll just give me that little bit that I need.